Okay, good afternoon ค่ะพี่อ้อมสวัสดีค่ะ
Good afternoon ค่ะ How are you doing?
Oh, I feel good. How about you?
Oh, I'm very good. But now I'm so busy.
You see? Yeah, the same thing here. But I
Yes,
feel good because I have someone
I
to
prepare
talk to.
for the evaluator come to visit yesterday.
Okay. How was the evaluation yesterday?
Okay, a little bit suggestion.
Oh, I see. That's good. Yeah, the same thing in here. The evaluators came, they stay for 30 minutes and finish everything. Yeah, very good. Okay, so for today, we're going to talk about our paper Excel one. Okay,
Okay, excellent. A lot.
you write a lot. Okay, I'll share the paper first.
Okay.
Okay, we can use this one plus your vocabulary here. Okay,
Okay,
please.
positive.
Yes. Wait. I will ask about you first. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is your goal for today?
Oh, my goal. An organized professional teacher with strong subject knowledge and English skills.
Oh, what is that again? Again, organize.
Organized professional teacher with
Okay.
strong subject knowledge and English skills.
The subject knowledge and English
English skills,
skills. Oh,
my goal. I don't
okay.
know English it.
I hope for that
I hope to.
for the success. Or wait. Organize. Yes. Okay, that's a good one. What is your plan for today?
Today I plan to continue everything about environment, classroom, and something for prevent COVID-19.
Okay.
I follow from suggestion from evaluator yesterday.
Okay. About COVID. Okay, I got that. Oh, very nice. Okay, how about the things that make you proud? What are the things that make you proud?
I think I proud to for my work. I follow teacher another school about teaching craft. I get the teacher. They can improve and they try to follow. Many school teacher okay better than in the past.
Okay, so there was much improvement. Okay, of the teaching clips, yes?
Okay.
Okay. How about for reading? Did you do extra reading today?
Oh, okay. I read about um, sorry, na, goal setting.
Again,
Goal set.
goal setting.
Yes. นี่เป็น
Oh,
my personal reading about goal setting.
can you share a
Understand?
little bit of that? Share with me.
I think this message is interesting to read because I want to know how to get the goal. I need to do my work and that possible and all teacher can do it, can follow it.
Ah, yeah. It is
Uh-huh.
like
Uh-huh.
possible, like the possibility of being achieved is uh,
That in my reading, give me some idea. No involvement, no commitment. You understand?
again, no,
No involvement, no commitment.
no involvement, no commitment, something like this.
Yes.
Oh, no involvement, no commitment. Okay, I'm learning. I'm learning with you. Thank you
Okay.
for that.
I
Okay.
got idea from this message.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go to your vocabulary. How many words do you
Okay.
have for today?
Sorry.
For your vocabulary, how many words you prepared?
Today I will show you three vocabulary.
Okay. Number one.
The first I learned from YouTube. I love it. Number one, naive.
Again.
Naive. The
Naive.
same meaning innocent.
Yes, yes, yes. Naive. 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 Yes, it calls it naive.
Okay. The same meaning
Innocent.
innocent.
Yes.
Naive.
What is
Naive.
your sentence?
Huh? I love this word naive because I always miss the people do like that. But the truth, they are very insidious. You understand?
Again, again, you tell me the last sentence. They are.
I said, I always meet the people do like that, but the truth, they are very insidious.
Yes.
Joke, you
But
understand?
the truth, it's
Yes,
they are. You spell the last word for me.
insidious. Insidious.
E
Insidious. I
I.
O U S.
Oh, I learned what I learned this word for you from you. I learned. Thank you very much. I will see this word. I will research. I will research this
Yes,
word.
I think
Insidious.
the people, almost people, do
Oh,
like that.
oh, I'll see this one.
Maybe when they talk to me, okay, they don't know the innocent. That actually no, different meaning,
I
different
know that
action.
I know that in Thai เรียกว่าอะไรนะ in Thai I know that in Thai it's called like แอบแบ
No,
ว
no, don't translate in Thai.
แอบแบว
Okay.
number two
Number two, ini easy word because I get from my work นั่นแหละ
yes
work hard, work hard.
work hard okay your
But
sentence
now I really work hard. I think teacher from every school has to work hard as well. And you too, because we have to prepare and organize everything in our school, such as
yeah
environment, building, classroom, and blah 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 in our school,
yeah
something like
skill
that.
development yeah
Okay. And the most important about academic because almost to open the school.
yeah yeah I agree with that
Okay.
okay
Okay.
your
Number
word
three.
number
Number
three
three.
yeah
Seriously.
ooh seriously
Seriously.
okay
I seriously try to accomplish everything with quality.
complete my task with slowly
Accomplish, teacher. Sorry.
accomplish.
Accomplish.
Wow,
Mhm.
complete.
I seriously try to accomplish everything with quality.
I still try to accomplish everything
Yes.
with quality. Okay, yeah, very nice. Not just like work and finish and that's it.
Okay.
Oh, with quality. Oh, yeah,
Okay.
good.
That's it.
Yes,
I think,
okay.
I
Very
think
nice.
you.
Okay, for my part, I still go on with COVID. I share with everyone.
Okay.
Okay, so my word is positive.
Positive. Okay.
They tested positive for COVID-19. Okay, so positive.
Okay. That's nice.
And number two, I have here symptoms. Symptoms.
Symptom. Okay.
The common symptoms of COVID are cough, colds, high fever, and difficulty in breathing. Yeah.
Mm, yes.
And the word number three is the word pandemic. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic. Yeah. I also tried to learn this word because in the past I don't know what's pandemic.
Yes, I know aboutอะไรนะ COVID-19
Like
come here.
yeah, like
I didn't
spread all
know.
over the world. So it's pandemic. Oh, I said like, oh, what is pandemic? Okay. Okay, and number four, I have here the word isolate. People
Okay,
who have the coronavirus must be isolated. Yeah.
I saw it in my vocabulary too.
Yes. Okay, and number five, I have the easiest word today, face mask.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone must wear face mask wherever they go. But you see, I don't wear my face mask.
In,
I have to
in
try my
in our school, not just face mask, I have face shield. You know.
yes, 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 face shield.
I have face shield.
Oh, yes. I have
Everyone in my school wear it when all school open.
yes, yes. Oh, it's good that you are prepared already. I'm
Yes,
very bad because I'm not yet ready with the face shield.
I told you I try to prepare everything.
Oh, yeah, yeah, you are ready. How much do you buy that? How much do you buy the face shield?
25 baht.
Oh, I heard the school old order, something like that. I
Yeah,
hope, I hope I will have mine next week. Yes, that's nice.
25 baht. I bought it. I bought.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, ready, very much ready. Okay, yeah, it's good that we have the time to talk today, and I hope to see you again next week. Do you have
Actually,
reminders?
we talk together every time, every day.
Yeah, okay. If you have reminders, you can just note me. Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Okay. Mini heart for today.
okay.
Okay,
Love you,
goodbye.
love
Thank you.
you. Miss you and love you. Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you. You too.